Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this cord. You can use it for your bags like a bag handle, or you can use it different places. It's up to you. And it's not so hard to make. I use this yarn Kartopu Aksoft for this different color, of course. And now I will use Lamia Paper Soft and 4mm crochet hook, and I will use a different color yarn like that. You don't need this. If you want, you can use it, of course. I use this one for show you the where we make our single crochets. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's start. I will start with a slip knot. And chain 8. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. If you want to make a bigger cord, you can make more chains. Start with more chains. I think that will be enough for me just now. Skip this first chain, and into the next chain we will make a single crochet, but make it loosely. Insert your hook into the next chain. Take the yarn and pull it through. Yarn over and pull it through from both loops. That's the third one. 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. Chain 1 and turn your work. Insert your hook into that first stitch and make a single crochet, and keep making single crochets. That's last one, 7. Chain 1 and turn, and keep making same thing. You can make a few rows more like that. This is the part we will use this part for sewing our cord to the back. You can make it bigger like that. Okay? Chain 1, turn. Now I will make some increases. Insert my hook into that first stitch and make a single crochet, and make one more single crochet into same space. Then make single crochets. And into that last one we will make 2 single crochets again. Chain 1 and turn your work, and I will make 1 single crochets for all the stitches. I have 9 single crochets now. That's 9. And I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. Now don't forget this, because we will make the same thing when we finish to make a cord. Now we will make our next single crochet from here. We will start from this single crochet. You see, we are at the wrong side of our work, and there is, I will show you clearly, 2 legs for our single crochets. Okay, we will make our single crochets from this right leg. I take the other yarn like that and show you clearly where we make our single crochet. There's 2 legs. Insert my hook into that right one and take the yarn. That's the 3rd one. Four. You not have to use this yarn as I told before, but if you are a new beginner, it will make easier. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We must have one more single crochet, and we didn't see it now because it's here. Okay, it will be here. Now I will start to make, then I show you. Take it like that and insert my hook here. Take the yarn and make a single crochet. Insert to the 2nd one and make a single. Next one. Next one. Oops. Don't make them too tight. And I made the 8, and there must be a V. You see, it's that one. I will make one more single crochet here. Now we will take a look again. You see, this is our new single crochet. We will start from this one. That's the left one and the right one. I hope you can see it clearly. Hi. And we will make it from that one again. If you turn your work like that, you will see this hole. Actually, it's too easy now. Just insert your hook from this hole like that and make a single, and that's the second space. I will take this one now. You see? Here. Hi. They're both coming. My two cats here now, and they're looking out of the window. There's some birds, and they will be crazy if it's going like that. Insert my hook here. And here. I will show you like that too. That's my single crochet. That's the left leg. That's the right leg. And I will keep doing same thing. I will take this one. Just turn around the cord like that. You see? Make it like that for how many rows you want to make, and when you came to the end, I will show you what will we do. Oops. And that's our starting point. You see? Now I will make one chain and turn. Make 9 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll count one more time. 1, 2. 8 and 9. Chain 1, turn your work. Now we will make some decreases. Insert your hook into the first loop, take a yarn like that, and insert your hook to the second loop and take a yarn. Yarn over and pull it through from these 3 loops. That's a single crochet decrease. Or you can make it like that too. Chain 1, take this front loop if you can, yes, and take the other single crochets, next single crochets front loop, take the yarn and pull it through from this both loops and yarn over, make a single crochet. You can make it like that too. Now I will show it one more time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we will have 7 single crochet now. Look, I will insert my hook from this first loop and insert from the second single crochet's front loop. I have 2 loops. Take the yarn and pull it through from these 2 loops. This is the first one and second one. Then yarn over and make a single crochet. Chain 1 and turn. Make your 7 single crochets. Chain 1 and turn and make 2 rows more, because we start when we start we made 3 rows without any increases, then make an increase, then 1 more row, totally 5 rows. Now I'm at row 5. And it's like that. It's not look so good, but I think I could explain you the main idea of how to make this one. You see, I didn't make this part for this one. You can make it like that. Start with 9 chain or 10 chain or any numbers of chain you want. Make it and then sew it like that. You can use it like that too. I hope you like it. If you like, don't forget to push the like button and don't forget to subscribe, please. I will wait for your comments. And Shirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. You can reach me there. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.